Yeah, today's video, guys, from this Sony FM stereo receiver model STR-7035. STR-7035, guys. It's a nice looking piece. It's made in Japan, and this is my first time that I have a Sony silver receiver, guys. I do have couple black Sony receivers, the modern ones, but this one is my first beautiful Sony silver with brown cover, nice looking piece receiver. I tested this earlier. The sound quality, guys, is amazing. This is kind of light receiver, guys, and the sound quality is just crystal clear. What an amazing piece. It has this kind of like neon green light. Very cool. And this is one of a kind receiver, guys, that I just bought from my friend, and now it belongs to me, and that would go up there somewhere. That's where I'm gonna put the Sony, up there. And gotta test that Pioneer small one. But this one here, guys, I like it. I like the looks, the silver, and it's still nice looking condition. And I'm not even sure if I want to sell this, because these are vintage, hard to find. And you guys listen to the sound, okay? Very nice sound, guys. Hear that, guys? What a beautiful sound. Very clear. And Sony, yeah, Sony is a good brand. Look at that, guys. Very cool piece. And I don't know how much the value of this receiver now. I gotta check it in eBay later on. Yeah, this model STR-7035. It has a very good sound, guys, and it's just an amazing piece, guys. And over here, I'm just using my other cell phone for the music. Yeah, I just go to YouTube and I type in whatever music I like, and it's free. So very cool. And I want you guys to see the back of this piece. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's dark. So let's turn this around. So I want you guys to see. Let's move this WD-40. So I want you to see the back of this piece. Yeah, there it is, guys. These are an old, I tell you, these are vintage receiver. And it says right there, made in Japan. Look at that, guys. These are probably from the 60s or 70s. And it's different, as you can see. It's not the red and black outlet. So definitely vintage, this receiver here. Very cool piece, guys. Here, guys. Beautiful sound, guys. That's a beautiful, clear, very fine sound, guys. Just like my Pioneer up there. It has a very nice sound. and the Toshiba, the Lafayette, and Sansui, and Marantz down there, and Luxman. It's covered with the black bag. Very, very nice, these stereos, guys, that I have in my collections. And I really love this Sony, guys. I mean, it's kind of light. You can carry this. I can carry it anywhere you go. Just bring your speakers and you can go to your friend's house and have a good time, you know, or with your, go to your family's house and one of your family's house and just enjoy, you know, just relax and listen to the music. And I'm gonna film next time with this Sony with my turntable, and I'm gonna listen to the sound of this because it's just amazing, guys. Yeah. So the button here, guys, is it's kind of wobbly, but it's a used receiver. What can you do, you know? So that's how it is sometimes. Amazing, amazing sound, guys, from Sony, made in Japan. Yeah, what a beautiful, beautiful piece. And it's silver. This is my, like I said, this is my first time having a silver faceplate from Sony. Yeah. So let's listen. Oh boy. And I'm using I think that's Technique speakers. Yeah, bookshelves. Yeah. And they are not even like Bose or anything like that, or Marantz or Sansui speakers, the one I have in my other music room. You will, if I plug those speakers with this, you will hear the really, really beautiful, beautiful, amazing sound. I'm just using a bookshelf, you guys can see. What a nice sound, guys. Very cool piece. Amazing, amazing. So guys, if you guys want to invest stereos, guys, or you want to start buying stereos, you want to, you know, start collecting or whatever, just look for Japan made, guys, because it lasts longer and it's amazing. The sound quality, guys, and the stability of the receiver, the looks, and Japan made, guys, is just one amazing, you know, stereos, guys. Believe me, I buy a lot of Japanese made, and they are all Japanese, Japan made, and they are even Marantz down there, and the Luxman. It's just amazing, amazing, you know, engineers from Japan. Those engineers, guys, they just amazing. Yeah. And then they sell it all around the, you know, the globe. So but these are vintage, guys. These are hard to find. They are not easy anymore. But eBay, guys, it's the place when you want to look for vintage stereos, because a lot of people are selling in eBay, or you can go to Facebook or download the apps, OfferUp. If you're lucky, you can see it there, but they're more pricey. Especially eBay, you have to pay the shipping and handling, and I don't like that, because when it's too heavy, it's really expensive. The Luxman that I bought down there, I was gonna pay like more than $120 for the shipping and handling, but we had a good deal and including the shipping for that price, and the owner was desperate to let it go, and he needs the money probably ASAP, so he sold it including the shipping. So he made like, I think $600. He sold it $700, and plus tax and eBay and other fees. So he got like $600. He pays for the shipping and handling, so still he made money there. But I really like that Luxman, so I have to. It's only two receiver in eBay, that model of Luxman, so I have to get that one. Very nice piece, very heavy. Yeah. So guys, another video here from Sony STR-7035. It's a very nice piece, guys, and I hope you guys like the video. And very nice and clear, amazing piece, guys. You guys can hear the sound of that. Beautiful. Guys, thanks for watching, guys, and click the subscribers, and yeah, and once you hit the subscribers, guys, you will see the videos that I upload all every time that I have a new videos, and you will see. So click the subscribers, and you know, and you can see my videos. So thanks for that, and thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time. So guys, for now I say ciao.